So if you're tired of digging through your makeup drawer to find just the right brush, or you need someplace really cool to hang your brushes after you wash them, or you just want someplace to keep them really nice and neat and organized, ImpressionZ makes a really great rotating brush holder. First of all, it comes neatly packaged with nice quality pieces, and it's super easy to assemble. It comes with simple instructions and even a little screwdriver. The rack is packed underneath so it's nice and protected, and it even comes with a little protective cover so it doesn't get scratched. It's made of acrylic, so it's nice and shiny and really easy to care for. So it took me all of about 1 minute to put this whole thing together, and it's really actually nice and sturdy and very well made. It has a nice rotating base that's smooth and sturdy to spin, so you can grab everything that you need really easily. And it's nice and sleek, so it doesn't take up too much counter space, but it does hold 32 brushes, and it has 3 different slot sizes. My favorite part about this is not only does it keep my brushes organized, but it's also a great way to dry my brushes after I wash them. So instead of laying them all over the counter, they dry really nicely in the rack. I also love that the slots are made of nice soft rubber, so it's easy to slide in and they're not going to scratch up your handles. I'm so happy that I found this ImpressionZ makeup brush holder. It's really perfect for my bathroom. I love everything from the gold rose in the stand to how it rotates to how it lets me dry and store my brushes easily. And it would make a really great and unique gift, so go check it out.